Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Get ready to start your engines. We are going to fire this sucker up in a few minutes here. It's a 5-wheeled remote control, 2-sided extreme high, fastest mini speed tumbling action stunt. I need to stop for a breath. Race car with lights. This is green in color. Comes in this big box. It's radio controlled. And let's take it out of the box. Ouch! Okay, this thing is tied down with ties. It's probably going to take me a while to get this sucker undone. So what I'm going to do is show this to you. And my son and I, and maybe my daughter, are going to search for a bunch of batteries. I think it comes with batteries, actually. We're going to look for some batteries. And then we're going to take this thing out and race it, or tumble it, or fly it, or crash it, whatever happens. There are batteries. I see some. Here's a charger. Are these rechargeable batteries? Let's see. I can't tell. James, can you see that little green part? Does that say recharge? Oh, well, never mind. Here's the rechargeable point. Hope this is charged up. This is a 700 milliamp battery, 4.8 volts. So what we need is just 2 regular batteries, because let's hope this is charged up. And I'm going to stop this video, and the next you're going to see is us out there crashing this thing. Hopefully not. I'll be back. Don't touch the mouse. Okay, we're not outside because, well, the remote control takes two batteries, 2 AA batteries. And you have to have a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew that to get in there. Okay, this I was fighting like hell trying to slide. There's arrows like pointing there. There's a thing back here that I swear to God looks like a switch. See if I can get it where you can. I can't. There. Yeah, can you see? Looks like a switch, but it's at the bottom. You unscrew with a Phillips screw, 1 screw. And, oh, okay, let me use this thing. There we go. So this panel goes on it, and you take the Phillips screwdriver. I think it's here. Take that 1 screw out, then you can get in, and you can put the battery pack in. We decided that we're going to charge up the battery. We don't know. We suspect it's probably not charged up. So we're going to charge it up for a while. I think we have a red light on it, and when the light goes out or it goes green, we are then going to fire this thing up. But anyway, I was really messing with this thing totally on the wrong side. This is decoration on the top. There. And I was thinking that you push this thing here, but you don't. just one screw on the bottom and takes the panel off. So now don't touch the mouse. Okay, here it is. It's very fast and a little bit hard to operate. My son is operating it. It takes a little practice to get round and around she goes, and where she stops, nobody knows. So there you have it. Very fast, and works upside down and every which way. So, guess I'm going to give it 5 stars. We're going to take it outside and see what happens outside. But anyway, 5 stars, and if we have any additional information, I'll update it.